Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to make your email address and phone number clickable at connect.dataczar.com. So go to dataczar.com and get logged in. Just click the login button. We're already logged in, so it's going to take us straight to the dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of that and go full screen. To work on the website, we're going to click on the website button right here. And we're going to be working with pages. These are pages and posts. You can make your email address or phone number clickable on either one of these. These are page templates. This is appearances, and this is settings. But we'll be working with those two. Let's tab over. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We added this blog post right here so that you're able to pause the tutorial video. This, in a nutshell, is how to do it. You have tell 555-5555 in the phone number. Or you have email to. And we're going to go over that in just one moment. We're going to add it to our contact us. So let's go back to home here, back to connect. So we're on the website button right now. And let's go to pages. Let's get started here. What we're going to do is we're going to edit our contact us page. So we're going to click the edit button. And we're going to just scroll down to the editing screen. And this is the contact form. Don't remove this. You want to keep that intact. We're going to click enter, bring up our cursor. And I'm just going to paste in some words real quick. We're just going to touch this up a little bit. Let's go ahead and make that bold. And let's say 14 point. Okay, so drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. We're going to click enter again, remove the bold. Let's put it back to 12 point. Actually, let's go ahead and keep it on bold. So let's go ahead and let's do phone and do shift enter, email. Okay, so to add your phone to make it clickable, and again, I'm just going to copy and paste to make this go a little bit quicker. What you're going to do, let's go ahead and bold that. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight it, and you're going to go to the link button. And in front of the phone number, you're going to type TEL:, and then just take your phone number here, just Control-C, Control-V, paste it in there. And then when we click OK, it's going to be clickable. You see how it turned blue? It's going to be clickable. The email, we're going to do email at AAA Outdoor Scenes.com. Now sometimes you can just click on it, and there it goes. And it links it up already. So if we highlight this and go to our link. Okay, yeah, you can see that it says email at AAA Outdoor Scenes. Oh, it doesn't say mail to. That's interesting. Let's go ahead and let's link it up. Let's make sure it's linked up. So highlight it, link, and what you do in the link is you just type mail to : and then your email address. Control-C, Control-V, and so mail to email at AAAOutdoorScenes.com. Click OK, and there it is. That's linked up for sure now. And we're going to leave the contact form, so they have 3 different options. We'll click Update. So that's pretty much what you do. Let's go ahead and tab back over, and I'll go over this real quick. Let's refresh the website, Control F5, and go to the Contact Us, and let's refresh one more time. And there it is. So the phone number is clickable, the email address is clickable, or they can use the contact form right here. And again, let's go to the blog post, and if you want to pause it, just to go over it one more time, you just do the TEL:, or you do the mail to : in front of the email address. That's how you do that. Let's tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And real quick, the help button right here, if you need any assistance, You can always go to the help button. We have a support button here where you can contact us this way, or you can go to our featured tutorial videos right here. It's recommended to watch the first 3 featured tutorial videos: how to start building your website 4th edition, how to add a page or a post to your website, and how to change the look of your website. Let's go back to dashboard, and that's it. That's how to make your email and phone number clickable with Dataczar Connect.